Hello friends, welcome back to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to use Nvidia Broadcast in any software. So, first the basic things, you must open your Windows settings. You can simply click Windows icon here, then select settings. Okay, after selecting settings, just click on system. So you can see here our options is here, and also the second option is sound. So select sound from here, and I'm not activated my Windows, so there is no option for you need to activate Windows before you can personalize PC. But there is no problem, you can simply change your microphones. So you always put default input device as microphone Nvidia Broadcast. Okay, here you can see there is three options is here. First one is my fine USB mic, but actually I connected this to some kind of USB hub, so it is not showing the name. And second one is microphone blue snowball. It is directly connected to the computer, so it is showing the mic name. So we always select microphone and video broadcast. Okay, and that's it. Then open your Nvidia Broadcast, and you can see here there is an option for audio, the first option, and go to select your input device. You can simply select microphones only. Okay, you should select any one of microphone, not the mic Nvidia Broadcast. Okay, not select this one. Please select any mic to get the voice or get the voice to uh, Nvidia Broadcast. So here you must select which device you want to record your voice. So my microphone is this one, PNP audio device, so I'm selecting that. Then you can see here there is an option for noise removal. You can simply click here to turn on this feature. Now it is turned on. And also this arrow, you can see there is an arrow, just click here. Then you can see here the adjustment of voice removal. I'm always put to this to 100%, so there is too much noise. My CPU, my cabinet produce fan sounds, and also my kitchen is next room, so there is no sound from kitchens, and also there is two children's is there, and this helped me to reduce all of that sound and record my sound at a very good quality. So that's it. After setting this, you can simply you can just simply close this uh, window. So we are successfully set my Nvidia Broadcast, and for example, you can select this to any other devices like DaVinci Resolve, Vegas Pro, and also our recording software OBS. I'm using OBS to record my voice. You can simply see here, added a mic. You can also know that added a mic. Then go to the settings and go to properties. Here you can also select which mic you need. Okay, so select anywhere in any application. You must select microphone Nvidia Broadcast, so you can get the voice removal feature here. So that's guys, very simple tutorial. If you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replays as video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.